This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen CC. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, a sunroof, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, a sports suspension, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a built-in iPod integration cable, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, a passenger side airbag, latch-ready child seat anchors, dual power seats, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.